Check out this 2003 Holden Commodore.
This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.